Yo, what's up everyone, it's your name and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of content creation AI script writing. If you're a YouTuber or thinking about becoming one and scripting your videos feels like a chore, stick around. Imagine this, you've got a video idea but staring at that blank page feels like an epic boss battle. Now imagine having a personal scriptwriting assistant that crushes writer's block and cranks out engaging scripts fast. Sounds pretty insane, right? Well, that's exactly what AI scriptwriting tools bring to the table. In this video, we're breaking down how these AI tools are changing the game for YouTubers, from the tech behind it to the best tools out there. By the end of this video, you'll know if AI scriptwriting is right for you and your channel. Let's get started. Alright, let's demystify AI. We're talking about powerful language models like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai. These are scriptwriting ninjas trained on mountains of text, code, and YouTube scripts. They understand sentence structure, tone, and what tends to go viral. These AI tools learn about your audience and analyze trends to keep your content fresh. They generate script structures, laying out the intro, key points, and segments. You can customize the tone and style to match your channel's vibe. AI streamlines the process, helping you brainstorm ideas and get those first drafts down faster. It's a game changer for productivity. Now let's talk tools. First up, ChatGPT, the versatile heavyweight champ. It's known for its natural language processing, making it feel surprisingly human. Next, Jasper AI, great for long-form content like tutorials and reviews. It even generates catchy titles and descriptions. Then there's Copy.ai, user-friendly with intuitive templates. Writer is affordable, while WriteSonic focuses on SEO optimization. The best tool depends on your needs and budget. Experiment and find your favorite. You've got your AI-generated script, but let's talk optimization. Think of the AI script as a foundation. It's up to you to take it to the next level. Focus on the hook to grab attention. Personalize the script with your voice and experiences. Ensure the flow feels natural and sounds like you. Use AI for idea expansion when stuck. Many AI tools help with SEO, optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. AI isn't just about full scripts, it's a powerful brainstorming tool. Make your content truly yours. Let's see how this plays out in the real world. Many YouTubers are already using AI for script writing. Tech review channels use AI for researching specs and generating detailed scripts. Educational channels simplify complex topics and create engaging explainer videos. Comedy and storytelling channels brainstorm jokes and plot twists. Businesses craft compelling ad copy and social media content. Daily vloggers overcome creative ruts and find fresh angles. AI helps structure vlogs and generate witty voiceovers. It's a game changer across various niches. Let's talk about common mistakes with AI scriptwriting. Over-reliance on AI is a big one. These tools assist you, not replace you. Don't blindly copy and paste AI-generated content. Always edit and refine the script to match your voice. Understand your audience's tone and preferences. Double-check SEO suggestions to align with your strategy. Always fact-check information, especially technical details. Use AI responsibly and enhance your creativity. AI is constantly evolving. Expect more enhanced personalization, understanding individual viewer preferences, real-time script generation during live streams, seamless integration with video editing tools, voice-to-text AI assistants for brainstorming and refining scripts. The future of AI in YouTube scriptwriting is exciting. It will continue to empower creators. So, there you have it. AI scriptwriting is a game changer. It helps you save time, crush writer's block, and level up your content. Whether you're new or seasoned, AI can streamline your process. Have you tried AI scriptwriting? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll